in camping, we always need a fire because, of course, at night it's very cold, and we also use it for cooking. So the first thing that all of us can think of is to bring a lighter.
Why exactly a lighter? It's easier. Let's just be honest. It's easier to start a fire with the use of lighter instead of the typical two rocks and grinding them with each other to create a spark.
So, the attire for camping. It always depends on the weather. So, if it's sunny outside, you can wear a t-shirt like this and some shorts or some short leggings for women. And then, if it's cold, you can wear clothing for cold weather. Obviously, yeah.
Sweatpants.
Always wear boots when you're gonna go adventure on camping.
Wear socks.
Because if you wear slippers, it hurts because of the ground.